Guys, this tutorial is the continuation of a previous tutorial that was string function in Python. You can say built-in function, you can say string function, you can say string methods in Python. So in today's video, we are going to learn few more methods or few more functions in Python which will help us in our projects, right? I am using editor PyCharm and Python version 3.12 is installed on my computer. In today's video, we will learn methods like isTitle, isUpper and isLower. Now let's get started with our today's first method, that is isTitle. So isTitle returns true if all the words in the string are title cased, otherwise it returns false. Title cased means if I input any string like, so this is a title case, okay, first character is upper, okay, for each word is title, then you will see it is true because these words are titled, okay. If I put any of the character first character in the lower case, it will return you false, right, because these string now having non-title characters, right, this is non-title character, okay. If I remove this second word, then it will return true, okay. If I put any space in the string, it will still return true because this value is still titled, okay. But as soon as I put any lowercase characters here, the first character lower, then it will return false, right. So this is the case for his title. If I put any numeric value here, so it will still return true, okay, because it will consider these words, right, as a titled, okay. Now let's see our next method, that is isupper. Isupper returns true if all letters in the string are in uppercase and return false if even one of them is in the lower case. If I put like this coding, this is uppercase and I am using whether it is uppercase or not, okay. So if I run the program, so it will return true, right, because all the characters in this string are in uppercase, okay. As soon as I typing any character in the lower case in the string, so it will return false, okay. So this is the condition. I put one white space, so it will return true, okay. If I put any numeric value, so still it will return true, but as soon as you type any character in lower case, so it will return you false straight away. Now let's see our next method, that is lower. So this is just opposite to this is upper function, right. And if I use is lower, right, so it will return you false because we have upper characters in the string. If I put it coding in lower cases, right, then it will return true because this condition is matched, right, it is in lower cases, right. As soon as I put any character in uppercase, so it will return false, okay. If I put any white space, okay, but it will return true. So if I put any special character like dollar, so it will return true, right. Any white space, it is still returning true, but uppercase, it will return you false, okay, you see.
That brings us to the end of the today's video. We hope you found it informative and engaging. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content on all things tech related. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next video.